Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with tonight's show. Okay, Arsenal don't play their preseason friendly at the Emirates Stadium, but they play and they beat Watford 3-0 in a closed door friendly. So for this match, when they say Sambi Lokonga actually scored 2 goals and Gabriel Martinelli actually scored 1. So now like 26 Arsenal players, different players, 9 play. Those who play first half, different from those who play for second half. Just make everybody they involved, guys, for the match, and it make a whole lot of sense. I did very, very happy because you don't think who come play football. Look at Manchester United, they play leagues where they use their new signing, Kunham, all those kind of people, and that's 0-0 they play. So at least we will start head on a winning note, and it makes sense. So I did very, very happy with the boys. So as we beat them 3-0. Now, say another talk on the year now because after this match, they already jet out to Singapore. So we're going to hear from James Ole, will be one of the reporters from ESPN. He can confirm, say yes, Arsenal are departing for their preseason tour to Asia without the likes of Victor Gyökeres, and say talks continue with Sporting Lisbon. However, Kepa Arrizabalaga, Christian Nogard, Zubimendi, they were all on the plane, but no Christian Mosquera because his deal is not yet done. Also, Max Delman was involved. Gabriel Jesus, he out. When you can check the Arsenal website, you can find out, say them talk and say yes, 30 player squad and travels on the Asian tour. Then they mention all the names of the players, the 30 players he did for Arsenal official website. When you look at the goalkeepers, so they carry go there, we carry Raya goalkeeper Arrizabalaga, Tommy Setford, and Alexi also the goal. For the defender, senior men, because we want to make sure say then get back their momentum they get ahead of the blockbuster opener who will play against Manchester United at the Theatre of Dreams, aka Theatre of Disaster. Now we find with them Saliba, Ben White, Maguire, Julian Timber, Kivior, Zinchenko, Ricardo Calafiori, Masu Skelly, Josh Nichols, and Maril Salmon. For these defenders, this particular Zinchenko, I don't know what to be Arsenal plan. She don't want to sell him. We don't want retainer. Make him still there here with us. I don't really know their plan. More the watch. When you look at the midfield, I must see midfield. See midfield. Odegaard, Christian Nogard, Mikel Merino, Sambi Lokonga, Martin Zubimendi, Declan Rice, and the Copley. You get apart from that Copley, Lokonga, the rest is still there. Now, Bukayo Saka, Gabriel Martinelli, Trossard, Itewanere, Reece Nelson, Kai Havertz, Ishmael Kabia. This Kabia don't come out to say Kabia, see the Asta. Then Max Dovan and Andre Harriman. So now those who they use for this our preseason tour 9B bats. Now, Gunners Block when they explain to us, see, as expected, no Noni Madueke in Arsenal's touring party for Singapore and Hong Kong. So deals for Christian Nogard and Victor Gyökeres still not complete. Signing Kepa Arrizabalaga, signings like Kepa, Christian Nogard, Matis Mendy, they will travel along with youngsters like Max Doman and Mari Salman. Me personally, I did happy for the likes of Max Doman because he will follow the team travel and at least he will get some experience from all these movements. Now, away from all that, we're going to get reports on why there is a delay on Christian Mosquera to Arsenal from Valencia. Now, so many people don't talk about this thing. First off, Hand of Arsenal talks if there's a delay in the paperwork over Christian Mosquera's move to Arsenal. However, there's still time for him to make the flights for the preseason tour. You get, but as of now, I don't think he can make the flights. They will not travel. But Ryan Taylor can say Christian Mosquera's absence in Arsenal's preseason tour is because Gunners are still waiting for the deal to be formally ratified. Because no say Arsenal never still announced them. So, which means the paperwork never completes. After exchanging all relevant paperwork, now the player could still travel to the tour at a later date. If he still go join them, maybe if them go today, he go travel on his own, come tomorrow. So later, Maxi Moretto called it up, say all documents for Christian Mosquera's move to Arsenal have been completed. As I do research for this story, as I see the updates from Hand of Arsenal, they see the updates from Ryan Taylor. Now, so as I keep on time one by one, as the update they come in, you get. You see the latest one now, from the problem to all paperwork have been completed, everywhere good. That's why they keep on one by one, they get. So latest one, Maxi Moretto say all the documents everywhere done good. Then we'll get another report also say any and all issues surrounding Christian Mosquera have now been resolved and is free to join Arsenal. And all that is left is for the documentation to be filed with the leagues. You get La Liga and Arsenal. We want to file everything everywhere good. Later again, today, Hand of Arsenal come again. I am told in confidence the documentation is being prepared for the signature of Christian Mosquera. As stated, these things should always be handled with dignity and honor. Now, when you cast your mind back yesterday where Arsenal make mistake, as they announced on the Madwiki, they can't slip out by mistake a picture of Christian Mosquera where they're not supposed to release. Because me on the one that said, they never finish paperwork. They don't already go do visuals for the player. Although Arsenal don't delete that picture now. They don't delete that. So they now mistake, but I want to believe at the end of the day, everything will be okay and the player is going to do everything possible. See our contingent, traveling contingent, where they go Singapore. So later, even Arsenal for the official website, and let's post this one. Next up, Singapore. Again, because it does say our Singapore bound Gunners. Yeah, so hopefully tomorrow, all things being equal, Mosquera will go join them for that place. Now, people like Wesley Fofana, you can't tell Noni Madueke goodbye, so you can't clear and say, see, now we are enemies. We are now enemies. You get, see you on the field. Protect your ankles. You get, we are enemies now. You get, because anytime I see you, I don't go look say you my party for street too. I go jam your ankle. I think tomorrow not be like. I just saw it as on a lighter note. It just did very, very funny to me. Yes. So I don't know whether I'm not aware of this move. Say Rashford don't join Barca. Today they announce and Fabrizio Romano announce and here we go Graham Bailey. So many people announce and say Rashford already joined them on loan with an option to buy. I think 35 million or thereabouts with an option to buy. Marcus Rashford is heading to Barcelona on loan from Manchester United, but Barca fully expecting to join on a permanent basis in 2026. So now Barca will pay his salary, everything. Yeah. So when I saw the report, I was like, wow, just wow. But it is what it is. Now, Gabriel Jesus in the London, you don't say him no follow them go based on he never finish in recovery. You get, and I think there was a time we got this report saying Gabriel Jesus injury now, like after August, maybe September 9, the guy will recover when window will run close, when they don't recover fully, like they match fit and match ready to go. Yes, so but that will not be problem. Sha is welcome to the fold. He will still give us that much needed depth. At least he will settle for a place on the bench and observe because we need his trickery in some kind of games like that. But it's a welcome developments, may come, nothing, no bad, may still come. Also, people don't ask me about Fabio Vieira. What's it be the way forward? Is he going to Parma? Is he going to Porto? But for now, ask something and say, make him take an extended break like Noni Madueke. Go home, relax with the family, chill with the family. They will know what the future holds. Whether they come back to Arsenal to come and be with us in the squad, or whether they go join Carlos Cuesta at Parma, or whether they go back to FC Porto on loan again. So we never really know what's in the Arsenal plan. One thing is clear. Arsenal don't slap about 20 million for his head, you get. So I not just know sharp, I'm not just the watch. Anyway it be, I will still let you know how things they unfold now. Okay, so Eddie Howe made some statements today where many people going to talk saying they tease the likes of Arsenal and Liverpool. So you can talk say it's difficult for me to give 100% clarity on any player. Alex is happy at Newcastle. He loves the players, the staff, the team. I'm confident he will be here at the start of the season. If this be the case, why not can't give him permission to speak with Al Hilal? Like the maths is not mathing, so I don't really understand what they go on here. But at the same time, I like the fact that the manager not say true. You know, if he go on 100% say, he will stay here because if the right money comes in, Everybody have a buyer, everybody get price. If the right money comes in, Newcastle with this player, if you say Newcastle no be seller, if somebody give them 150 million, they go sell. You go add to say they no go collect 150 million. If you come in like fixed fee, buy 150, buy, take they go collect and sell. But that one Nigerian speculation, we don't really know what's in there for their own mind. Get. And talking about ridiculous fees, do you know that Liverpool's second bid for Ekitike that is set to arrive in the coming hours is expected to be 80 million fixed fee with 10 million in add-ons. That is 90 million euros for Ekitike. That package is what they think, according to Sasha Tavioleri, that's the package they think will make the deal a done deal. When me I'd say, 90 million euros. And I don't see Liverpool fans outrage. I don't see anything. But if I will tell you for free. Say if to say this deal, now Arsenal, they make this deal, social media will catch fire. As now what we do now, we say we refine men striker. As we define men, that's what Liverpool say define men striker. As now we define striker. We can't wake up one morning here and say Arsenal make this type of offer. Not even make it, say Arsenal announce say, or somebody announce say Arsenal like Sasha Tavioleri. Sasha Tavioleri is going to be a small deal. Now Sky Sports reporter for Swiss. Said Sasha Tavioleri just come outside and say Arsenal in the next coming hours. Arsenal preparing 80 million euros fixed fee and 10 million euros in add-ons for Ekitike. Everywhere go cash fire. I know our community. I know Arsenal fans. Everywhere you go here say it's not good enough. It's a shit packer. Who is he? From where to where? You now there go here. How much he remain to go sign Isak? But look at, I never see any outrage, even for Sky Sports, even for Talk Sports. Everywhere's calm. I'm surprised. I ask again, why the selective outrage? I don't really understand. Just like this, Madio Diwo will sign. Him saying that Liverpool sign him, you don't go hear Shakam, you don't go hear anything. You know, if na Man you sign him, or if na Man City sign him, you don't go hear anything, because who was Jeremy Doku before Man City got him? You know him before, me don't know him now. So now it just be. So I don't know, people just like to the hits Arsenal, whatever Arsenal run their own deal, but it's okay. It's okay, we can take it. So that's fine. Now, away from that. So we're going to get reports from Celtic. So you say Celtic have played friendly today. They knocked Newcastle, I think 4-0 today. They beat Newcastle, which is no good. Although Isak not played the game, they called the interview at the house. He said Isak been calm, say won't play the game, but we can't Isak say making him go back home because there are a lot of speculations around and media people full everywhere. But they don't carry microphone. Is it true you are going to Liverpool? Is it true? All those kind of questions. So they say no one made the guy. They involved in all those things, all those speculations. Doesn't want him distracted ahead of the new season, so let him just go home. Just for your mental health, just go home. He gets now another part of the story. That be the fact that former Arsenal player Tierney, he represented Celtic. He wear that shirt and instead of playing because Tierney produced an incredible assist on his first game back in Celtic colours this afternoon. So he helped in boyhood club to trash Newcastle 4-0 in the preseason friendly. So are they very, very happy for Tierney? He's playing again. At least the intensity of the league over there in Scotland, they will be like England. So I don't really see him going injured that much again. Yeah, so I think his quality is above that league. So he will shine tremendously. That's my own humble opinion. Now, let's bring you a message from one of our sponsors, Emporia Logistics and Delivery Services. So they are into import and export, pick up delivery, doorstep delivery, courier delivery, haulage, transport logistics, dispatch and errand services, and at the same time they help you ship to USA, Canada, UK, and Europe, and they help you receive from these destinations also. So if you're interested in any of their services, you can call them on +234 807547 8645 or 08092445644, and their head office is at Block D, Shop 41, Binukono Ultra Modern Market, Ojota, Lagos. And the Ikorodu office is at 28 Uribu Road, Italewa, Ikorodu, Lagos State. So if you're interested in any of the services, please do reach out to them. Now, Away from that, yeah, right. When we talk about Nonimadueke, get when they express in feelings, on post for social media, and give like 5 love emojis on the player because he really like the player. He feels the player is going to be a success at Arsenal. That is our own prayer also. Say at the end of the day, make Nonimadueke play very well, and if he doesn't do so, now we go still call him out because that is our job. We give constructive criticisms and not destructive criticisms. All right, let's bring another message from another of our sponsors in Moby Wealth Associates and Code Limited. So they're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwa Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. So, my dear Arsenal lovers, the biggest news of the night. Now, the fact say Arsenal already played their preseason friendly at the Emirates Stadium. They beat Watford 3-3 season in their preseason friendly. Now they are on their way to Singapore. I think on the 23. I think that's going to be our first game. So, and we'll check the time because somebody be telling me at 12:30 p.m. Nigerian time. So I hope saying at that kind of time because I don't want to make it be midnight so everybody to sleep. No comfy watch out. So if that time maybe say it didn't normal, we'll go watch out together. So that's what so my dear lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and end. It's like come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. Then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Good night. I will not get my house, right, guys. Ciao.